Okay, I need that talking in the background to please stop. Ma'am, you asked for treatment, so why did you ask for treatment?
Jail,
I'm sorry?
to not have jail time.
Oh, that's what I thought.
I don't know, just things I've been drinking a lot of water. There's just a lot of things I wasn't doing before that like I've been doing since I've been in here.
Yes, no, man, you're not getting probation, I can tell you that much.
Is there any way I could get treatment?
Ma'am, you told this court you don't need treatment.
Okay,
No, you told this court, the only reason you said that is because you didn't want to do the jail time.
I think I need treatment.
Ma'am, you were very clear, you've been to treatment 7 times and you don't need treatment anymore.
No, I do.
You know how to work the program.
No, I got a little ahead of myself.
All right, guys, today we got a wild one in court. This criminal is out here claiming she doesn't need treatment for her drug addiction. Yep, she's insisting she's fine, no help needed. But just wait. By the end of this hearing, the judge drops a serious sentence, and suddenly she's practically begging for the treatment she swore she didn't need. It's intense, it's chaotic, and honestly, it's downright entertaining to watch. I want to know what you think about her little performance. Was she being
Has anybody promised you anything, threatened you, or coerced you in any way for you to enter into a plea?
No.
All right, counsel, you can please pardon your client.
Yes, I'd like to direct your attention to June 15th, 2023 and June 22nd, 2003. Did you fail to appear for a probationary instruction?
Yes.
And additionally, while on probation, you did accrue a new charge, correct?
Yes.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied the plea is knowing, voluntary, factually accurate. The court will accept your plea to the probation violations. Enter a plea of guilty based upon your, enter a probation violation based upon your plea of guilty. And that would be technical violations 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And counsel?
Your Honor, I saw the recommendation for 60 days jail. I asked that my client get credit for the time that she's been in since December 1st. I'd ask that it run concurrent with the admonishment that she's received from the charge that she just took a plea on. And then furthermore, she did ask that during this time in custody, if possible, she would like the opportunity to be tethered to treatment. Thank you, Judge.
All right, Ms. Bolchak, did you request to be tethered to treatment while you've been on bond?
Yes, just to try to have time. I mean, I don't think I personally need treatment, but I know that was something that I asked for when I first got arrested. So I'll do the days. I'll do whatever it takes, but I really just want to get home.
Okay, ma'am, let me ask you a couple questions. Number one, if you don't think you need treatment, why did you ask to go to treatment?
I was trying to have like the days made up. I don't know if I don't really know. Because
ma'am, you asked for treatment, so why did you ask for treatment?
Jail.
I'm sorry?
To not have jail time.
Oh, that's what I thought. Okay, so, and you don't think you need treatment? Given what's been going on with you the last year, you don't think you need treatment?
Honestly, no. I really found myself in here. I've been spending time with myself. I don't know. I don't feel like I need a guy or anything. I don't know. I just want to get going on life.
Well, man, the way you've been going on life, not a great start. How old are you?
25.
25. And now you have 3 drug-related convictions. 3. Your under advisement status is revoked. You had an opportunity to not have your possession charge on your record, and you didn't do a darn thing with probation. Not at all. You just ghosted us.
I don't know about you guys, but you can really feel the tension building here. And honestly, I don't blame the judge for what's about to happen to this criminal. Here's the deal. This defendant was arrested on drug charges, a serious offense. Possession or use of controlled substances can carry hefty penalties, depending on the state. Then she got probation. And just to be clear, probation is a privilege, not a right. The court basically says, we're giving you a shot to prove yourself. But she blew it completely. After that, she was sent to mandated treatment, something judges often require because drug courts focus on rehabilitation over punishment. And now, she's trying to bargain with the judge after failing both probation and treatment. If I were the judge, I'd probably lock her up for a long time. At some point, the system has to prioritize public safety over giving endless second chances. What do you think so far? Should the judge be this strict?
I know, if I get probation this time, I told myself, like, you know, it would be at least 6 months. That's all I would really need to get, like, clean. And, you know, by summertime, I'd be, you know, working. I really want to get a car. But aside from the job thing, just, you know, I want to draw and make music. And I don't know, I just want to do things for myself. And I like coffee again. I don't know, just things I've been drinking a lot of water. There's just a lot of things I wasn't doing before that, like, I've been doing since I've been in here.
Oh yeah, she's been drinking water. Let her back out on the streets. She's definitely ready to change her life now.
So I haven't been.
Ma'am, part of the concern, right, is when you get out, how are you going to continue to do stuff, right? That's part of what treatment is, and you don't think you need treatment. So
I've been to treatment 7 times. I've been to treatment like 7 times. I don't know. I know how to work the program. I know to go to a meeting when I need to. I know there's just different times. I know.
So you go through the motion. You go through the motions. So you just go through the motions. You don't really receive what it is that you're getting.
I really think I've learned a different way. I've been incarcerated this time, ma'am. I don't know. It feels different. It feels really different. I'm willing to go any probation that you can.
Judge, we're ready to hear the sentencing. We are ready to proceed, Judge.
Okay.
Yes, no, man, you're not getting probation. I can tell you that much. The court's going to, on 23405, the court's going to adopt the recommendation, revoke probation, close the case without improvement, $50 probation violation fee, 60 days jail. On 23739, the court's going to adopt the recommendation. Your under advisement status is revoked, your probation is revoked, $50 probation violation fee, 60 days jail. The court will know that will be served concurrent. And then the court's going to also order on 232479, the court's going to order 93 days jail. Credit for your 15 days. That's consecutive with 23739 and 23405. And the court will suspend your fines and costs on this matter. Any questions, counsel?
No, Your Honor.
Any questions, ma'am?
So, how many days?
Well, 60 on your probation violations plus 93 plus 15. So that's going to be, I can tell you exactly what that is, ma'am.
Is there any way I could do treatment?
138 days.
Is there any way I could do treatment?
And you told this court you don't need treatment.
Okay,
No, you told this court the only reason you said that is because you didn't want to do the jail time.
No, that's
So
not.
you can do the jail time.
Ma'am, I'll do treatment.
And quite frankly, ma'am, with your lengthy warrant status and you're absconding from probation, I'm not sure that you would not abscond from your treatment provider.
This is seriously one of the funniest court hearings I've seen in a while. This girl is just completely delusional. Like, what did she think was going to happen? The judge already gave her a break with probation, and she did absolutely nothing with it. Now she's sitting here claiming she doesn't want treatment, which is basically asking for jail time. There is honestly no other option. Jail was absolutely necessary. And honestly, this might not even be enough time, given how much she lied to the court. She seems to think probation is some kind of free pass. Newsflash, probation is a legal agreement. You stay out of trouble, complete your conditions, and follow the rules. She's acting like it's completely optional. At this point, the judge is probably feeling like a babysitter dealing with a kid who refuses to listen. And let's be real, this girl is definitely not the brightest tool in the shed. What do you guys think about this sentencing?
Ma'am, I can't do 130 days.
Yeah, you said you didn't need treatment.
I do.
The problem was, when I went to sheriff, I got the people over.
I need help with housing when I get out of here. I'm gonna need.
I'm sorry?
I need help with housing when I leave here. I have my.
Okay, I need that talking in the background to please stop.
Somebody in.
My court recorders indicated our record is a mess because of all the talking in the background. And what was that, Ms. Bolchak?
I really don't. I think I need treatment instead.
Ma'am, you were very clear. You've been to treatment 7 times and you don't need treatment anymore.
No, I do.
You know how to work the program.
No, I got a little ahead of myself. That's what I asked for when I first came in. Because I do have a drug.
Judge, potentially, Judge, I know that potentially she might be asking for some sort of mental health treatment, but I understand this docket does need to be moved along. So if necessary, we have to have the matter recalled later in the morning to potentially have it reevaluated. But I understand the docket does need to move along, Your Honor. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Ms. Bolchak, I'm not ordering treatment for you at this point because you stated that you don't need treatment and you only asked for it so that you didn't have to do jail time. Given that and the fact that you had absconded from probation with this court, the court is concerned that you're not going to abscond from treatment. So at this point, 138 days is what you're going to serve, ma'am.
Boom. Just like that, she got 138 days. Honestly, I think the judge nailed it. Sure, 138 days might sound like a lot for a few drug charges, but let's not forget, she completely ghosted probation. Probation is basically the court's second chance, and she blew it completely. So at this point, what else was the judge supposed to do? Let her walk away again? Ooh, no. Actions have consequences. This sentence feels like the perfect balance, holding her accountable while giving her some time to reflect. Maybe she'll even turn things around. Who knows? You can tell this girl was obviously full of it. Very childish, making excuses instead of owning up. She can't just admit she messed up with her drug charges. Simple. Go to jail, serve your time, reflect, and hopefully change your habits. But that's just my take. What do you guys think? Was this sentence fair or overkill? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you love this video and want more wild courtroom moments, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Take care.